Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to My Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
Let's play a small game. Can you read the following words? Well, if you want to warn or give instruction to a visitor who is from different nationality or who may not comprehend well with you, there comes a problem of communication. Also, it is extremely less likely that those words should be well memorized. After all, who will ponder much into all the scribbles? But what if I told you that they have the same meaning, that the floor is slippery, or not to walk around the slippery floor? To make things simpler, consider the following symbol on the left. How would you say not to drink while taking the medicine? Simply look the sign. No matter whether the patient is from any locality or background, he will understand it. Sometimes the symbol could imply different meanings, but broadly the meaning can be identified. Consider the symbol on the right. It may mean that hemp or marijuana is prohibited for cultivating, farming, picking, taking, or inhaling. Whatever may be the comprehension, the meaning of the symbol simply means that anything related to it is prohibited. Visual management, also commonly known as visual control, is a technique to communicate using visual signs or a combination of signals instead of text and other written instruction with the purpose of quick recognition and communication of ideas with ease and efficiency. A visual workplace makes communication easier. Besides this, there are a lot of use of visual workplace which we will be learning later. Let us look at the benefits of visual management. Visual management makes the meaning transparent and easy to understand. Visual management makes an easy and effective communication. It increases the accountability as byproduct of increased transparency. It reduces the risk any problem could bring in the future. It helps in forcing the problems or helps to be aware. It helps in project management and planning. It increases the team alignment. It helps the company or the employee see the work progress and the state they are in or see any deviations from the limit. Types of visual management: visual display, visual metrics, and visual controls. Visual displays are used to make staff aware of the ongoing information. Examples are labels, procedures, and work instructions. Visual metrics are the tools to indicate the performance of the person, project, or a team. Examples are chart and graph, and some of the basic charts used for this purpose are run chart, Pareto chart, and histogram, etc. Visual controls are the ways to create error-proof environment such as signboards, do and don't warnings, etc. Other system of visual management: Kanban system of visual management and Kanban system of visual management. In the color coding system of visual management, let us see some of the visual displays for communication in visual management. Fire symbols. Fire symbols are a square shape with a red background and white graphics color. Next, we have a caution, and these are the triangle shape, yellow background with black graphics color. For mandatory requirements, these are circle shape with blue background and white graphics. For information symbols, these are a square rectangle with a green background and white graphics color. These are generally used in the hospital settings. And the prohibition signs are circle shaped with a white background and red border with the red slash overlaid black graphics.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.